Amazing Brothers. Hi everyone, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color in my Super Mario coloring page. Ta-da! This is a picture of Mario and Luigi. I hope you guys follow along with me. And you need something to do with markers, yellow paper, and some craft tools. So let's get ready because I'll get started right now. Okay, so let's start on Mario first. He has blue eyes. His tongue is red. And his hair is brown. Let's color in his skin like peach. I'm gonna color in his hat and his shirt red. And let's make his overall blue with yellow button. And Mario wears brown shoes. And I finished color in Mario. Next, let's color in Luigi. His eyes is blue. His tongue is red. And his hair is brown. I'm gonna color in his skin like peach. Let's color in his hat and his shirt green. Next, let's color in his overall dark blue. And lastly, let's make his shoes brown. And I finished color in Mario and Luigi. Next, let's collage and frame the picture. And I'm all finished! Wow, this picture turned out so awesome! Mario and Luigi just look so cool, and they're some amazing brothers. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun in my world of colors. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I will see you next time. Bye! Thank you.